Hello class, so continuation of our topic. So this time we are defining this series. Okay, we're dealing with the series. So when we say series, it is the sum of the terms of a sequence. So earlier, okay, we have a discussion about sequence, right? So in sequence, each term is separated by comma. Okay, separated by comma. A sub 1, A sub 2, comma, A sub 3, comma. Comma. Okay? So on and so forth. But in this series, instead of having comma as a separator, okay, it is separated by this addition sign. Okay? Since we are getting the summation. Okay? So again, here in our example, so we have the summation of a sub n from n equals 1 up to infinity. Okay, so that is equivalent, or that is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus so on and so forth. Okay, so we have this infinite series, and going back in our example, so this is an example of infinite series, okay? Because it is infinite, never end. Yeah, it is infinite, okay? Since it has an ellipsis, okay? So given this example, so if you are asked to get the s sub 1, so that is equal to a sub 1, okay? So for s sub 2, that is the summation of our first two terms, so that is a sub 1 plus a sub 2. For s sub 3, so that is the summation of our first three terms, so we have a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3, okay? So on and so forth, okay? If we're dealing with s sub n, okay, whatever is the n, okay, if the n is 4, okay, you just need to get the first 4 term and then get the sum, okay. By the way, so we have this s sub n, okay, and that s sub n is called the partial sum of our sequence. Okay, partial sum of our sequence, or partial sums of our series rather. Okay. So I have an example here, so let's try to get the first three terms in the sequence of partial sums. Okay, so for s sub 1, okay, we already have the answer here. So for s sub 1, okay, for s sub 1, let me change the cursor. For s sub 1, so we have that is equal to 1 times 2 raised to 1 equals 2. Okay, based on our general formula, okay, we have n times 2 raised to n, okay, so we just simply replace n by 1. Okay, so that is our s sub 1. For s sub 2, okay, get the a sub 1 and a sub 2 and get the sum of it. So we have the quantity 1 times 2 raised to 1 plus 2 times 2 raised to 2 times 2 squared equals 10. Okay, for s sub 3, so get the first 3 term and get the summation of it. So by looking at this solution, the answer is 34. Okay, same process, no? So try to answer this second example, no, without looking at this solution. Okay.